If you're like us, it can feel that it's a never-ending cycle of fixing things that are broken when you're travelling in a van. And we carry a wide range of adhesives, putties, sealants and tapes to help with running repairs. We often find that whilst these are good for temporary fixes, when it comes to plastics, they never last that long due to the harsh life the van has bouncing around and flexing. We came across something which we hoped would give us a better solution for more permanent plastic repairs.
This is a plastic welding gun that uses high temperature and metal reinforcement to fuse the plastic back together. We picked it up on Amazon for just over £20. The kit includes the gun, a selection of different sizes of metal reinforcements and a pair of cutters to trim the metal. The different types of metal reinforcement are used to repair different types of damage. To give it an initial test, we're going to use this scrap piece of car bumper, so let's give it a break. Before we put the welder to the test, I'd like to say a quick thank you to CarLock for supporting this video. We've been using their advanced GPS trackers on our vehicles for some time, which gives us peace of mind not just for tracking, instant alerts for movement, vibration or the engine starting, and even keeping tabs on the battery voltage. Starting from only £30 for the tracker, which is simple to fit, you can get 10% discount by using the link and offer code in the video notes. And don't forget to also enter our discount code when you activate your tracker so that you can get extra 3 days subscription. Now let's get on with that repair. Once you've selected the insert you want to use, you simply load it into the gun. Then, whilst holding it against the plastic, pulling the trigger passes an electric current through the insert, causing it to heat up, which melts the plastic, allowing the metal to sink into it. Once in, letting go of the trigger allows the metal to cool and the plastic to solidify around it. You can then remove the gun and repeat along the length of the repair. Once the repair is complete, you can snip off the legs. On the back, it's not the neatest of repairs, but on the front, from a distance, it's hard to see. And more importantly, let's see how secure the repair is. In the past, I'd have probably used something like 2-part epoxy to repair this, which would be very brittle and not allow this kind of flexing. For this repair of a cracked motorcycle headlamp unit, I had previously used epoxy, which failed quickly due to the vibration and stress. I'm confident this repair is going to last a lot longer. This repair is of a garden storage box lid, which is a thinner plastic, and I was keen to see how this compared. After a bit of deliberation, I went with the smaller wave metal inserts for this one. Again, it's not the prettiest of repairs from the back, but on the front, you'd struggle to see the repair. Another use I found was when I needed to make a modification to the plastic bracket holding our tablet so that the power socket wasn't obstructed. Obviously I could have used the saw and then sanded the edges to make them smooth, but I would have had to be very careful and had to clear up the mess. Using the welding gun, I could simply cut the plastic with the heated metal, which made the job easy, clean and quick.
From what we've done so far, where you need structural integrity, the plastic welding kit is a great solution. It may not be the prettiest, but hopefully you can make the repair on a side of the brake that won't show. For the price, it's simple to use and I would say very effective. For us, it has already paid for itself, and I think it's going to get many more uses going forward.
Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.